Hi, I'm Andrew Ask, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad you found me. I talk a lot about affiliate marketing and other ways to make money here. So if you're interested in doing that, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. How I use Fiverr to help my affiliate online business. Let's go. I started doing online affiliate marketing about a month ago, and I learned in my training through Legendary Marketer, the power of video is amazing and what it can do to tell your story and get people to understand what you have done and why you're doing what you do today. And when I started that YouTube channel, it had no subscribers and it had one video I put on there with no views. As I was doing my YouTube channel, I realized I didn't really understand how to get more followers, subscribers, views. I would copy my links, put them on my Facebook page. That helped a little bit, but I wasn't quite understanding it. I didn't get it right. And then we were doing a training, and one of the top performers was telling how he used his YouTube channel to just create a supplemental income, as well as create more traffic for his online affiliate marketing business. And so I was like, wow, that's what I want to do. That sounds terrific. That's got to be expensive. Or this guy is a video guru and he's way out of my league. I took a look at it and I started thinking about it. If this is going to be my business, and if being profitable and having myself out there was important, then I need to take a look at this. So I did some research and I went to Fiverr. This is where this guy had gone. And I thought, okay, well, this is going to be expensive or it's going to be kind of hoaxy. Well, what I found out was that you can get a lot of things done at a very reasonable price. It's an amazing site. I am in love with it. Let me show you how it works. Okay? So take a look at this. So you'll see I placed my order here and you go right through their website with your communication, so it's all legit. No one's emailing you directly, and going through that. And there's even some more offers down here if you're looking for higher. There's 10 bucks. So you can see that they communicate well with you. It's called an order. They have to submit an order and they provide the work that they say they're going to do. It's amazing. So happy. Thank you. And so I was able to put out my ideas, what I was looking for. I typed it all up, I put it out there, and I got some responses back. And you'll see, as you saw a moment ago, you can get work done for as little as $5, as high as probably 150 bucks. Depends on what level you're looking for, how much work you need, how long you need to work for. That's a big key part of it. The other thing is, I've been able to communicate with this gentleman extremely well. He is open, he's clean, honest. He tells me exactly what's going to work. He shows me how to make it work as well. So not only is he helping me, but he's also giving me a skill that I'm going to be able to continue to use on my own YouTube channel. And if I ever get into trouble again, he's going to be the first guy I'm going to contact and say, hey, let's get this cleaned up again. But right now, I'm extremely happy with Fiverr and the gentleman that helped me get my YouTube channel up and running. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do hit that subscribe button, give me a like, make a comment. I'll be happy to respond. I may even do it in a video for you. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing, Fiverr, or any things I'm into, if you click my link, it'll take you to the opportunity that I took that led me to this point. It's been a great opportunity. I've loved doing this. I'm learning so much. I get excited. And sometimes it's okay to ask for help. See, I thought I could do YouTube all by myself, and I can do it all myself as kind of a control. But when I let go and I reached out and asked for help and realized that help is affordable, it was amazing. The relief that came off my shoulders to see something moving forward, because all I really want to see is progression. I want to see things work. It's not about the money yet. We all want to make money, and money's to be made. But ideally, the systems and the processes and the support and asking for help so that you're working more congruently is awesome. So I'm excited. Check out my YouTube channel as you have. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more opportunities. It's going to be great. Take care.